Welcome! In this video, you'll learn how to make the maximum use of an invite link for your Discord server by setting it to 10 uses. Whether you're managing a community, a gaming group, or a private space for friends, this quick guide will show how to control your server invitations and keep things organized. Let's get started. First, open Discord on your phone or computer. Once you're inside, head to the server that you want to adjust. You'll find your server's name at the top of the screen. Tap or click on that name to open the server menu. Next, choose Invite People. This is the option that allows you to create or manage invite links for your server. You'll see a link that can be sent out for others to join, but before sending it, we're going to make a key adjustment. Now tap on Edit Invite Link. This is where the real customization happens. You can change how long the link stays active, whether it expires after a certain amount of time, and how many times it can be used. To make your invite link even more secure and specific, look for the setting labeled Max Uses. Here you'll see a field that lets you choose how many times your invite link can be used before it stops working. Tap that option and select 10. This means only 10 people can use the link to join your server. After that, it automatically becomes invalid. It's perfect for keeping your community close and controlled without worrying about an unlimited number of joins. Once you've set max uses to 10, confirm your changes by saving or generating the new link.